Welcome to Learn Easy and Smart. Dictation start. He extended his stay in South Africa to protest against the bill that denied Indians the right to vote full stop in 1910s, he established the Tolstoy Farm for peaceful resistance full stop after the rights of the blacks were restored, Gandhi was hailed as a hero, full stop, paragraph change in January 1915, he finally returned to India, Mahatma, with no possessions and with only one ambition to serve his people, full stop, paragraph change. At the end of his years wanderings, Gandhi settled down on the bank of the river Sabarmati, on the outskirts of Ahmedabad, where he founded an ashram in May 1915, full stop. He called it the inverted comma Satyagraha Ashram, full stop, inverted comma. The inmates, about 25 men and women, took the vows of truth, ahimsa, celibacy, non-stealing, non-possession and control of the palate, and dedicated themselves to the service of the people, full stop, paragraph change. It was the Rowlatt Act with its denial of civil liberties which finally brought Gandhi into active Indian politics, full stop, from 1919 to his death In 1948, he occupied the center stage of the Indian politics and was the hero of the great historical drama which culminated in the independence of our country, full stop. Like a magician, comma, Gandhi roused a storm of enthusiasm in the country with his call for non-cooperation, full stop. He began the campaign by returning to the viceroy, comma, the medals and decorations he had received from the government for his war services and humanitarian works, full stop. Paragraph change. The anticlimax came suddenly in February 1922, full stop. An outbreak of mob violence in Chauri Chaura shocked and pained Gandhi that he refused to continue the campaign and undertook a fast for 5 days to atone for a crime committed by others in a state of mob hysteria, full stop. Paragraph change. On 12th March, comma, 1930, comma, after having duly informed the viceroy, comma, Gandhi, comma, followed by 78 members of his ashram, comma, both men and women, comma, began his historic 24-day march to the sea beach at Dandi, to break the law which had deprived the poor man of his right to make his own salt. Full stop. The rest is history. How a single man shook the foundations of the British Empire, and how at his single call the entire nation rose from slumbers to fight for their rights unanimously, forgetting all their differences. Full stop. In 1942, he launched the Quit India movement with the slogan inverted comma do or die inverted comma full stop stop.